See, it's right here, look. This is it. This is the place I've been telling you about.
It's new, right?
It's new. And it's all Vietnamese food, very authentic. The ladies awesome. This ought to be fun. All right, guys, Chef Ernie here, right? And I'm in the kitchen with my buddy B right across the street from Cafe Nolo. Come downtown to Defuniak, come try it, you're gonna love it. And now she's doing one of her signature dishes for me. She calls it the bird's nest because it's got the wonderful fried noodles as the bird's nest. Doesn't it look like a bird's nest? Isn't that cool? And not only does it have shrimp and onion and fresh vegetables, it also has beef and chicken in it as well. So it's all fresh stir fry. Look at that, guys. Oh, that's wonderful, B. I love that. Wow. Amazing, guys. Look at that. All that flavor just cooking together like that. Fantastic. And I love the presentation with the bird's nest because the juice and the flavor is just going to roll right in there. A little chicken stock. Adding a little chicken stock in there, guys. What a fun way to cook, too. This is fun, huh? You like this, huh? Except when you get 100 tickets, right? Then it's not so fun. Soy sauce, there we go. Gotta have that. Give it that flavor. Oh, nice. Just a little cornstarch and water, right? There you go. We use that in Cajun cooking, too. See, she's adding a little cornstarch and water. What that's gonna do is gonna thicken that sauce up. It's gonna make it nice and thick. You gotta be careful with that because that stuff's like glue. You put too much, it'll make it like paste. You gotta have just the right amount, huh? Yeah. Too much, no good. No. See, I'm doing good. I'm speaking Vietnamese over here. Yeah, baby. Am I doing good? Ah! Oh my goodness, V, you're blowing me away with this.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Look at that. Sorry. That's great. That's crazy, guys.
That's out of this world.
Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Take a little trip to Vietnam, baby, and come over to Defuniak. Come see my girl B over here, baby. Ayyeee! That's how we do it.